गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आज हम फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर विद फॉरेन रिपरकशन इफेक्ट की चर्चा करेंगे। इसे हम विदेशी प्रतिप्रभाव सहित विदेशी व्यापार गुणक भी कहते हैं। अभी तक हमने we had assumed that the level of exports was autonomously determined and imports were assumed to be primarily a function of income. अभी तक हमने माना था कि एक्सपोर्ट्स स्वायत्त रूप से निर्धारित थे और इंपोर्ट्स जो है, आयात जो है, वो आय का फलन है। अब थोड़ा सा और रियलिस्टिक सिचुएशन में आते हैं। आर एक्सपोर्ट्स जो हैं आर द इंपोर्ट्स ऑफ अदर कंट्रीज, एंड since foreign countries imports depend on their own real income changes, it should follow that our exports depend upon the change in income in foreign countries or on the marginal propensity to import in the foreign countries. Similarly, हमारे जो imports हैं, they are governed by the income changes in our country and hence they determine in turn the foreign countries' exports. These are called as foreign repercussion और feedback effects. इसको हम foreign repercussion या feedback effect कहते हैं और इनको भी incorporate करना होता है foreign trade multiplier operations को study करते समय। और in brief, the concept of foreign trade multiplier with no foreign repercussion effect जो हमने पहले किया था, इससे it will take into account only domestic marginal propensity to save, to import and to import, whereas अब हम जो स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर विद फॉरेन रिपरकशन इफेक्ट, इट विल टेक इनटू अकाउंट not only domestic marginal propensity to save and to import in the foreign countries. और let us recall, देखिए फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर विच इनकॉर्पोरेट्स फॉरेन रिपरकशन को हम फीडबैक फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर कहें या KFF शॉर्ट में कहें, तो वी विल कंटिन्यू इसी तरह से हम इसको रेफर करते रहेंगे। और सिंपल जो फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर था विदाउट फॉरेन रिपरकशंस को हम KF मान के चलते हैं। और देखिए सिंपल फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर के ऑपरेशन के तहत इट मेक्स नो डिफरेंस टू द सिचुएशन वेदर द नेशनल इनकम इंक्रीज इज ब्रॉट अबाउट बाय इंक्रीज इन एक्सपोर्ट्स और इंक्रीज इन investment. The same common value of KF applies to both situation. For example, if the value of KF is 3, then whether there is an increase in exports of $50 billion or whether there is an increase in investment of $50 million, the resultant increase in national income will be the same, that is $150 million. और क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने माना है कि इन्वेस्टमेंट या एक्सपोर्ट्स $50 मिलियन से बढ़ते हैं और वैल्यू जो KF की वो है 3, तो बराबर नेशनल इनकम में जो इंक्रीज हुई दैट इज इक्वल टू $150 मिलियन. बट व्हेन वी कम टू फीडबैक फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर, विदेशी प्रतिप्रभाव सहित जब विदेशी व्यापार गुणक की जब हम चर्चा करते हैं, तो द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ अ गिवन इंक्रीज इन एक्सपोर्ट्स एंड अ गिवन इक्विवेलेंट इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट विल हैव डिफरेंट इफेक्ट्स ऑन द level of increase in the national income. Therefore, it is absolutely necessary to discuss the value of KF in relation to A, increase in exports, and B, increase in investment separately as two models of feedback foreign trade multiplier. तो देखिए दो मॉडल्स बनेंगे फीडबैक फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर में। एक तो इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट के तहत और एक दूसरा है इंक्रीज इन एक्सपोर्ट्स के तहत। तो सबसे पहले हम लेते हैं फीडबैक फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर मॉडल ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट्स। दिस इज द केस व्हेन वेयर एक्सपोर्ट्स फ्रॉम द कंट्री इंक्रीज ऑटोनोमसली, जब एक्सपोर्ट्स ऑटोनोमसली इंक्रीज करते हैं और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि आर इंक्रीज इन एक्सपोर्ट्स इज इंड्यूस्ड बाय इंक्रीज इन इनकम इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज एंड ड्यू टू देयर इंक्रीज्ड इंपोर्ट propensity or economic expansion caused by their investment increases. Let us call home country as country 1 and foreign country as country 2. Now we are concerned with the question of the effect of increase in our exports on our national income through foreign repercussion or feedback effect. The model can be इस तरह से बता सकते हैं मॉडल को, और टू वे चैनल देखिए चलता है of the effect country 1 and country 2. आपने पिछली स्लाइड में देखा है, डायग्राम बना हुआ है, देख सकते हैं आप. फीडबैक चैनल 1 जो है, it has an expansionary effect on the national income and trade both in the home and in the foreign country, going back and forth between the two countries. Initial increase in exports in country 1 leads to increase in income and to increase in imports of that country. When import of country 1 goes up, it will cause exports of country 2 to go up, thereby raising the level of income and imports of country 2. Increase in imports of country 2 leads to the induced increase in exports of country 1, raising income and imports of that country. The process is repeated back and forth between country 1 and country 2, and the effect on the trade and income of the two countries is continually expansionary one through feedback channel effect 1. Channel 2 और चलता है. Feedback effect on the two countries is however contractionary one. Initial increase in exports of country 1 जो होते हैं, it goes straight across into foreign country where imports of country 2 would go up. This leads to reduced income and reduced imports in the country 2. When country 2 reduces its imports, the effects comes back straight across to country 1 to reduce its exports, income and therefore imports. This in turn would once again go straight across to reduce exports of country 2, and it will cause income declines and import reductions in country 2 and so on. The effect of feedback channel 2 is contractionary all through. When these two positive and negative effects are fully worked out, then what would ultimately be the increase in income in the home country or country 1? The answer depends upon first what is the initial increase in exports has been in country 1, and B, what is the value of feedback foreign multiplier is for country 1. We can assume initial increase in exports to be $100 million. The value of feedback foreign trade multiplier KFF is determined by the marginal propensity to save and import in country 1, and we will designate them as S1 and M1 respectively, and the marginal propensity to save and import in country 2, and we will designate them as S2 and M2 respectively. तो इस तरह से value of KFF जो है that will be equal to 1 upon S1 plus M1 plus M2 into S1 upon S2. अब let us assume हम hypothetical values लेते हैं इन चारों variables की, और फिर इक्वेशन में देखिए जो निकल के आता है फीडबैक फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर दैट कम्स इक्वल टू 1.43. मल्टीप्लायर वैल्यू विल देन बी, देखिए 1.43. Since the initial increase in exports in country 1 is assumed to be $100 million, we find that the national income in country 1 will increase by $143 million. That is an amount equal to delta x times the value of KFF. एक और चीज जो है कि हम अगर देखें कि what would have been the multiplier value and increase in national income in country 1 without the feedback, simple multiplier value जो है that would have come to come equal to 2 as against the feedback multiplier value of 1.43, and the increase in national income in country 1 would then have been equal to $200 million as a result of increase in exports of $100 million. K जो है FF necessarily be smaller than KF, and this is due to feedback channel 2 which is income reducing in its impact. अब देखते हैं हम दूसरा केस एक और है इसमें, फीडबैक फॉरेन ट्रेड मल्टीप्लायर मॉडल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो देखिए इफ द इनिशियल चेंज इन कंट्री 1 हैज बीन एन इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट आई ऑफ $100 million rather than increase in exports of $100 million, the increase in national income in country 1 would have been higher because the value of KFF in the former case would be higher than that in the case of latter. The model of KFF associated with an increase in I would be जैसे कि डायग्राम में बताया गया है. In this case, it should be noted that there is only one feedback channel, and that is expansionary. Initial increase in investment would raise income and imports in country 1. Increase in imports from country 1 would stimulate exports of country 2, thereby raising its level of income and imports. This has a further feedback or backlash on country 1. Exports, income and imports of country 1 will go up, stimulating in return the level of exports, income and imports of country 2. The process goes back and forth, cumulatively expanding incomes, imports and exports in both country 1 and country 2. The multiplier formula in respect of increase in investment model of feedback is expressed as KFF is equal to 1 plus M2 upon S2 whole upon S1 plus M1 plus M2 into S1 upon S2. The only change in equation जो है पहले वाले इक्वेशन की तुलना में has been the addition of M2 upon S2 on the numerator using the same values for all the four variables S1, M1, S2, M2 as before, and plugging them into the equation, we get the value of the new multiplier as KFF is equal to 1 plus 0.2 upon 0.4 whole upon 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.4 upon 0.4. तो ये आता है 2.14 के बराबर और the value of KFF is now 2.14. With the initial increase in investment equal to $100 million, the increase in national income in this case would be $214 million. This is higher than what it would be in the case of feedback model of exports, that is $143 million. Or in case of simple multiplier model of exports or investment, that is $200 million. This is because of the absence of channel 2 effect in case of feedback investment model. Feedback export model does not have the contractionary effect of channel 2, reducing national income of country 1 as well as of country 2. Now, what are the possible economic policy implications of feedback multiplier model of exports and investment? वो ये है कि देखिए the export promotion policies if adopted in one country or in all the countries of the world would lead to lower rates of national income increase in a given country or the entire world. An investment expansion program, on the contrary, pursued in one country or all the countries of the world would lead to higher rates of increase in national and global real incomes. Investment expansion program, unlike export expansion program, has also the effect of expanding the size of world trade in goods and services besides expanding world incomes and living standards.